Hi, today I'm going to show you how to do this easy low bun. To do a low bun, we're going to start with dry hair. Today mine is curled. Yours doesn't have to be. You could start out with dry. So I'm going to grab a little control paste. Just a tiniest little bit. I'm going to warm it up in between our hands there. Just going to start by pulling things back. If you like, you can leave a couple pieces out through the front just to add a little interest. Just going to run that control paste through a bit just to tame those little flyaways. Now we're going to grab everything in the back in a ponytail and just start twisting. Twist all in the same direction. We're going to bring it back and around. Just twist around. And now that it's all back there, you can either throw your scrunchie on or take a bobby pin and clip that in. Just one little clip. I'm gonna grab another one and stick that in on the opposite side so everything feels secure. And if you want now, you can go through and just kind of pull that bun apart so it looks a little bigger and fatter. And then I'm going to toss on my cute birch scrunchie. Awesome. And then we're just gonna finish that off with a little spritz of air control to give us some nice hold. There you go. Subscribe for more tutorials and check out the description box below for the products.